plan in my Catchall planner for the week of March 3rd through the 9th. The kit I'm going to be using is this kit from the Penny Pages. This is Purple Rain for the TPC Nation, not the Penny Pages. It is in collab with the Penny Pages. TPC Nation is no longer available, so you can no longer get this kit, but this is the kit I'm going to be using. I have my handy dandy sidebar scripts here from the Tipsy Dog. I have my date dots from Avalon and 9th. I have my week of from Planner Kate, which is 108. And then I do have my stack of scripts here that I only use a couple out of here, but I do PR for Black Mountain Plan, so you can use Amy B20 to get 20% off your entire purchase. So let us just jump right on into it. What is happening this week? Honestly, not much. It's grocery week, so I'll be grocery shopping and stuff like that. Hope you guys are doing well today. It's kind of cloudy out, but it has been super nice this week so far. Super excited because hopefully we're going to be getting warmer weather here soon. I would like that. My daughter keeps asking if we can go to the pool. So definitely waiting for it to be open, because we spend a lot of time there, or we have. Okay, I need to grab another household. I have, I think, one more sheet. If not, I need to order from Tipsy Dog. My daughter, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My category, this planner is from the Penny Pages. It's the Pentrix planner. I absolutely love this planner and fell in love with it when TPC Nation was around, and really found a lot of use for it. So I do keep it going. I do have 5 categories in this planner: household, my daughter, myself, which I use for myself and my husband. I keep track of our meal plan, and I'm trying to get better about my health, so like going to the gym and stuff. So that's the bottom. And I will say I haven't been doing well. I just have not been recording it in my planner. So that's a shame. I normally lay down the little headers before I film, just because they take so long to put down. But I went ahead and already did that. Like I said, nothing is really happening this particular week. Like I said, it's grocery week, it's therapy week. That's about it. So over on this side, let's go ahead and put down some full boxes. Really not much to say or go on, honestly. I've just been like a filming fool the last couple days. just trying to play, not really catch up, but play get ahead. So, been really getting ahead on these videos. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna grab out of here is, it's trash. Every week is trash week, but I just want to grab it. I'm gonna grab that. I'm going to grab 2 of those. So I'm done in my script box, or my script binder for now. Because we have a trash day. We are going to start going back to story time. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna grab a flag, I think. Therapy, sweet. Okay, so we're gonna start with house. I'll just start with household. So I need to do a Walmart run. And need to change the wax. Normally I put change wax on Monday, but I'll put it on Tuesday and still do it on Monday. Okay, so Saturday we do laundry and we change our sheets, and I want to clean master bath this week. So we do that on Saturdays. And then I'm gonna end up going ahead and cleaning the master bath on Sunday. So I'm done with that page. Tuesday and Thursday is story time. The library, so we're gonna do that. And honestly, I think that's it. Oh, actually, I know we're gonna have Russell rice. I want meatloaf. Some chili. Leftovers. Oh, I do want tuna poke. And I'm gonna just leave it at that for meals for this week. but that is my plan with me for the 3rd through the 19th. It was quick, easy, and to the point. I like it. And I do have some extra functionals that I can write when I need to. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.